Are you networking on purpose or by accident? I'm Maile Collmer, and I'm a referral coach, and I help people get more results from their networking activities. A lot of business owners know they need to network, but not sure exactly what kind of strategy to use. One of the tools that I use with my clients is a networking scorecard. And in this networking scorecard, we are tracking our activities, and these activities are focused on giving and relationship building. And those activities, when done consistently, get consistent results. One of my clients came to me. She used to work at Yahoo and started a web design company. And she was always used to working so hard. And she said to me one day, she was on her way to doubling her business. She's like, but I don't feel like I'm working that hard. She's like that. She realized the activities I was giving her to do felt fun. So the fun was working and the working was fun. So she went on to more than double her business and enjoy her business and her life so much more. So when we network with purpose versus just happenstance, it's amazing the results and the relationships and enjoyment that we have. So if you'd like more insight on how to make it work for you, I would love to be able to support you in your business and networking efforts. I'm Maile Collmer, and I truly believe that together we can accomplish so much more than we can alone.